back to my channel. In today's video, I have something super special. It is going to be the first luxury handbag unboxing solely by itself on my channel this year. I'm so excited to share this with you guys. So if you want to see what I picked up from the House of Chanel, please keep watching. Okay, so of course I have to give you guys a backstory. So if you want to skip right to the unboxing, I will put a timestamp in the video, but you know that I love to chat and we have a lot to talk about. So I told you guys in the luxury wish list for 2021 that this year would be very Chanel heavy. So this is a Chanel unboxing. Now, I love Chanel. I have 2 other Chanel bags, maybe, and they are all pre-owned. I do not, right now in my life, believe in spending $4,000 and $5,000 and $6,000 on a handbag. Yeah, especially when the quality isn't increasing. So I am a lover of luxury pre-owned. I have tons of videos on my channel about pre-owned luxury, how to find the best deals, where I shop, why I shop pre-owned, how to authenticate the items yourself. I will link all those videos down below. So I am not one who is above buying something pre-owned. This item is pre-owned. It is from Fashionphile. I just feel like my #1 favorite luxury brand is Louis Vuitton, but I'm trying to get away from Louis Vuitton because the prices keep skyrocketing and their quality is decreasing, and I really don't like a lot of the newer styles from Louis Vuitton. So it's a Chanel year. I also am not a fan of classic Chanel bags, such as the classic Chanel flap. I do have a red one. I don't know. I'm not gonna say they're basic because they're not basic at all, at least not to me, but they're just a little too safe. I like something that looks a little different, especially because my designer bag collection is a bit expansive at this point. I just like things that are not so traditional. That's not to say that I just have to have the most unique bags, because that's not how I feel, but I don't want any classic flaps, okay? All the Chanel bags that I will be getting this year and all the ones that I have acquired this year, because I did buy another one, they're not your average run-of-the-mill bags. They're not bags that you're going to see unboxed here on YouTube too often. And it's simply because they just look a bit too classic or boring to me, okay? Now, once again, I have 2 classic Chanel bags, so that's not to say that I would never purchase them in the future, but while I get more into Chanel and build up my Chanel collection, it will be of bags that are not so everyday, the bags that you'd see when you're in and out of town or whatever. So this is a different type of bag, but I did go through Fashionphile because I trust Fashionphile. I don't have that many Chanel pieces, so I am not an expert at authenticating Chanel, so I knew I wanted to go through a company that would do all that work for me. I have purchased from Fashionphile for years. I've purchased for other people. I've sold to Fashionphile. I've never had a problem with them personally, so I trust their authentication process. So let's get into the bag that I got. I'm so excited, you guys. I received this bag in the mail a few days ago and I sat it under my vanity, and it took every fiber in my being to not bust open this packaging. So this is a true unboxing because I don't like to use things until I unbox them, and I also didn't want to unbox it without you guys because I wanted you to see my true reaction. So without further ado, this is how the bag came packaged. I love Fashionphile packaging because it's so fun with all the confetti. It just looks very festive. So I'm just gonna set the box down and sanitize my hands because you can't be too safe. The first things first, I Papa freaks all the honeys, dummies, Playboy bunnies. Those wanted money, but they don't get okay. Chloe's not ready for that. So the first thing I have in here is a Fashionphile nail file, which I love Fashionphile nail file. And this says, I like my money where I can see it hanging in my closet. This nail file is so cute. Because I purchased this bag in, well, I won't tell you the month because you guys will be mad that I waited, but I purchased it a while ago. So Fashionphile was doing their 2021 calendar, so I did get one. The Hermes, the Chanel, the Goyard, the 4-piece mini Chanel quad. Like, I will give you guys a little sneak peek at what the calendar looks like this year. I'm not looking at it, so I'll be surprised when I'm editing. I always try to get one of the Fashionphile calendars every year because they're just something fun. And when I was working in the traditional office setting, it was just something super cute to keep in my office. And these are so fun, and they kind of give you ideas of what you may want to put on your wish list if you're like myself and it is never ending. Ooh, look at that Birkin. Lord. So that was the Chanel, not the Chanel. Clearly I have Chanel on my mind. That was the Fashionphile calendar. And here I believe is just my receipt. I love Fashionphile packaging. Okay, yeah, this is just my receipt, which I'm not returning this bag because I know I'm gonna love it. So are you guys ready to see what I got? Oh. Well, I want to throw some more confetti in the air. Yes, darling. It's okay. It's this little sticker that says, used is the new. Now, I have not purchased from Fashionphile in a while. So this feels nice. Are we doing this? I'm so excited. Now, she did not come with a Chanel dust bag, but that is fine. Oh, she feels so sumptuous already. Do you guys think you can guess what Chanel bag I got? You probably can't because I've already told you this is not a classic style. But if you think you know the bag I got, leave it down below in the comments. I would love to see what you all's guesses are. Dun 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 dun. Oh, she's so buttery. Ooh, yes. Oh my gosh. Chloe is looking at my baby like, wow. Wow, this is so buttery. So this is the Chanel bubble flap. This is the size small. Let me take out the chain for you guys. Oh my gosh, it almost feels like a suede. Ooh. Okay, no smell. You always have to check. Oh, she's so soft. Oh my goodness. So this is what the bag looks like. I will insert some mod shots. Ooh. Okay, so the official name, if I remember correctly, is the Chanel New Bubble, and it's this special like iridescent bubble, like calfskin leather. It almost feels like a suede. It has like the aged ruthenium looking hardware. You have your double chain straps. One of them has a shoulder strap to make it a little bit more comfortable when you're wearing it. Let me pull the strap all the way through. Ooh, honey, I like her. Oh, she feels so sumptuous. Okay, I think I got her straight. Now that's the thing with me. I am OCD, so I can already see this being a problem, is that I have to make sure this little handle piece is at the top. So this is what she will look like. She can be worn crossbody. Well, probably not on myself because I'm a bit plus size. I am a US size 16 and I'm also not short, but she can be worn on the shoulder like a shoulder bag and also with the double straps. Now, let me give you guys a close up. She is so gorgeous. It feels like a suede. Ooh. Oh my goodness. That's the bottom. Let me show you the interior. Okay, let me tell you a bit about why I chose this version of this bag. Like I said, I'm not into a classic Chanel flap. I just think they are a bit too safe, and my style is classic most of the time. So I like to have edgier bags, or if I'm wearing something very edgy, I like to have a more classic bag. You're not gonna find this bag on every woman in Atlanta, okay? Now I live in a city where Chanel is everywhere. I'm not gonna say Chanel's oversaturated because I don't feel that way, but Chanel is nothing new. You are always going to see a classic flap. I said, I don't mind having bags that everyone else has, but sometimes you just want something different. And this bag is just everything. It reminds me of the Chanel Coco handle in that the quilting is so puffy and the hardware is not like the traditional Chanel hardware. And it almost looks a little like army green, like deep army green, but it is in fact a black bag. I wanted this style because this just looks so much more casual than a traditional Chanel flap, which I will put a picture of on the screen. This is just such a casual bag. Like, I'm gonna be wearing this bag on my shoulder, going to the grocery store, going to meetings, going to the post office, going to visit my friends and family. I just love this bag. It's soft and comfortable. I also like the fact that it almost looks puffy and bubbly, so it's going to wear very well. You're not going to have it all sunken in and flat. It's very malleable right now, so it's not something that's very stiff. I also don't like how these Chanel classic flaps have two flaps right here. You can get a lot more in this bag. It's fabric lined, so you don't have to worry about anything being messed up. And it even still has the protective plastic over the zipper. So the previous owner must not have worn this bag too much, but you guys, I love it. I did not think she was going to feel this sumptuous. It feels like a suede. Like, she is just so soft. I just wanna, she is everything. This is the first bag that I purchased in 2021. I'm obsessed with it. I definitely think I will be carrying it by the long strap much more than doubled up. I just think this looks a little more casual, and it definitely goes with my lifestyle, especially in quarantine year 2. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. Just know that all the bags that I get this year will not be popular everyday bags that you see with everybody using. They're still classic styles, but they have a little something on the edge. And I have never seen anyone in person with this Chanel bag. It looks different, and it's so comfortable and sumptuous. It almost feels like a fabric, but it is leather. Let me see if my receipt says what type of leather it is. Okay, so it's the Chanel Iridescent Calfskin Small New Bubble Quilt Flat Black. So it is calfskin. You guys, it is so smooth, and I got it, I think, definitely under retail. This bag, I want to say, came out in 2017 or so. I might be wrong. I'll put the information down below. I definitely got it under retail, and that's my thing. Chanel prices are so high. Just because you have the money does not mean you need to spend it. That is my motto. So if I can get the same bag that I like for less with better quality, I'm doing that. So that is why I like pre-loved bags. Stay tuned to next month. I have another Chanel unboxing. I love this bag, guys. So let me know your thoughts down below. Would you have purchased something like this, or would you have gone for a classic Chanel bag? All of my Chanel is pre-owned, and that's how I like it. I just like that I was able to get something a little more different, and this is more me and not just, oh, I want a Chanel bag, let me just see what I can find. So yeah, I love you guys so much for watching. Definitely let me know down below if you would like a later review of this bag. I cannot wait to start using it. I'm so excited. It's so soft and comfortable. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.